documents? Have you read the documents? So the rules are quite simple. Okay? Pinapahirap nyo yung trabaho. We only need to focus on these 4 rules, which are draw for newly built buildings, ignore yung mga small buildings beside or on the backyard of the main of the main building or the main house. Delete, remove buildings, fake buildings, update, change buildings, only big buildings. All residential buildings that have been updated should be ignored unless it is a new building. Okay? Ignore small changes, and you do not need to fix shifted buildings, shifted houses. Okay? Is that clear? Guys, please just read the rules. It's very easy. Pinapahirap nyo yung trabaho. Okay? So, for example, these small errors, small shifted, can be ignored. We do not need to edit. You do not need to fix for them. They can be ignored. Okay? Same with this one, di ba? Shifted, but still you can ignore for them. This one is a fake building and this should be deleted. So let's continue. Fake building need to be deleted. This one, residential, ignore. This one, small building, ignore. Okay? So this one, ignore. Small building. For townhouses, we do not need to cut for these buildings also. Okay? This one, this is a missed building. You need to capture. And then, you follow the shift pattern. Ground, delete. For buildings that are covered by trees, for example, let's say there's a building here. Okay? Let's say there's a building here. You can ignore for this building. You do not need to delete for buildings that are covered by trees. Okay? Do not delete these buildings. You can just ignore for them. Ignore. No need to cut. Small buildings, again, you can ignore for them. This is good enough to submit. Okay? So let's check. Covered by trees, ignore. This one, this is what I'm talking about. You need to update big buildings only. So for this one, we can just draw it like this, and then we can just merge. And this is good enough to submit. So again, we only need to update big buildings, big errors on big buildings. If, for example, it has an error like this, you can ignore. But for this one, it's big. So we need to fix for this error. So let's continue. No need to draw it as multi-layer, guys. Remember, just draw on the base of the building. No need to draw it as multi-layer. For these layers, you can ignore. This might be a fake building. Delete. Okay? But if you're not sure, you can just ignore. And this should be good enough to submit. Let's get one more task. You do not need to overcomplicate things. Do not overthink. Just follow the rules. Okay? Don't do nonsense editing. So again, covered by tree, ignore. Shifted, see? Shifted buildings, ignore. No need to edit. No need to drag it on its proper position, proper location, proper footprint. Ignore for shifted buildings. As you can see, I'm not doing a lot of editing, guys. Okay? For this one, I think it's wrong, but still, this is a residential building. So you can ignore for this one. And then this is good enough to submit. Okay? Let's get one more task. So, fake building, delete. So this one, I'm not sure. You can ignore. Ambiguous. So, ambiguous cases, just leave them be. For trailers, for example, you think this is a trailer, ignore for this one, okay? Ground, delete. So, for residential, even though the building is cut by the system, it's cut by the AI, you do not need to fix for this one. Remember, all the residential should be ignored unless it's a new building. So, for example, let's say this is a building and the label is too different from the original building. So, you need to fix for this one. Okay? You only need to fix if the building is a different building na. But if it's still the same, it has small errors, ignore. So delete fake building. This one, I think it's better to ignore na lang, okay? Since it's covered by trees. Ambiguous. This one, obvious fake building, delete. This one covered by trees also. This one is open, delete. This one, I'm not sure, ignore. Fake buildings, delete. As you can see, guys, I'm not doing a lot of editing. Okay? Don't do nonsense editing. So, see the tab is the tab is quite easy. So, I don't see any reason for you to submit task that's as obvious missed buildings unless you are auto passing. So if you continue submitting tasks like that, I will block your accounts, okay? We have, I think, wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have still we still have 8 remaining tabs, building update tabs, okay? So if you get blocked on the first tab, then you cannot join the remaining tabs. So please be careful. One more map. Guys, so far questions. Clear? Questions? Wala. Sure kayo? Okay, so one more map. So again, be careful. We still have more remaining tabs to work on. Same rules as this tab 4921. Okay? So yung nakalista dito is up to 26 for 920. Up to 28 for 928. All building update tab. So if you manage to get blocked on the first tab, then I'm sorry, I cannot allow you to work on all the remaining tabs. Okay, so it's your fault. Obvious, those are obvious misses kasi. So you won't be able to miss them unless you are auto-passing. Okay? So residential, ignore. Covered by trees, ignore. Never fix shifted buildings, guys. Okay, this one, residential, ignore. Covered by trees. Covered by trees. Last map. And I'll dismiss you guys. Remember, our second training, verification is around 2 p.m. Okay, so you need, for those people that weren't able to attend the previous training earlier, you need to attend your Sir Ace training. So ground, delete. This one, I think that can be ignored. It's fine. Ground. So ground. This one needs to be fixed. Okay, so this is a big error. So just drag, since this is also a big building. So again, you do not need to, what do you call this? You do not need to drag the sidewall. Just draw on the base of the building, of the footprint of the building. No need to drag the sidewall. Okay, and this should be good enough to submit. Okay, guys, questions? Is my training clear enough for you to understand the tab? Questions? Yes, go ahead. Rick James. Ano nga yung link, guys, para sa ano nga yung link, yung site para makapag-send ng SS? Yun, eto, try mo dito, snip.io. Or sa Discord, let me check. Pwede din sa Discord para mas mabilis. Dito na lang sa snip na lang para makita ko. Para makita din nila. Baka save lang kayo ng issue. So stop ko na yung presentation, guys, ha. Yan. So let me see. Ano to? Mali. Hindi ko makita. Ay, ito. Revert. Meaning you have deleted, this might be considered as still the same building. Okay?